and that is a Colorado pronghorn antelope burger patty. 80% Colorado pronghorn lean with 10% bacon and 10% beef fat or beef suet. You can see I use temperature control a lot in there. So we started out mega hot, we're searing the burgers, but we flipped them, we went down low. The same thing with the bacon, right? We started out hot to get the griddle hot. I went down real low, I used the bacon press, I flipped it early and often turned 2 burners off when I had to and adjusted accordingly. We used mayonnaise to toast the buns up, of course, had some bacon on there, some frozen pickles. Oh man. This takes me way back. I've been on YouTube for 15, 16 years, I think. I did my first Blackstone video 10 years ago, 10 years and 1 month ago. And it was a Colorado elk burger patty on the Blackstone Griddle. Oh man, so good. Oh yeah, and I use that High Mountain hickory burger seasoning. I've been using that stuff for probably close to 15 years. Oh my goodness. Make sure you check out Let's Give It a Try on Blackstone's YouTube channel. All kinds of things going on. And go to Toven Zone, TOVENZONE.com, tovenzone.com. That's where I'm starting to put some of my personal, cool, outdoor, rustic t-shirt designs. Come on, get out there, please, and support me. And check me out this summer. We're gonna be on the road with the 2023 Griddle More Tour. Details for that on Blackstone's Facebook page, Instagram page, website, etc. So until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the Colorado pronghorn burger, cheeseburger, bacon burger. Oh, it's so good, burger.